Good morning. Last time we have converted degrees to radian, radian to degree. Those questions I have completed. And now we are coming on some word problems. First problem says find the length of arc of a circle with radius 5 centimeter. This is a circle we have. Its radius is clearly given as 5 centimeter. And it subtend a central angle 15 degree, means at center this radius, this arc, length of arc we should calculate. We don't know what this length is, so let this length be L. We should calculate this when the central angle is 15 degree. My question is find the length of arc of a circle where the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter and it subtend a central angle 15 degree. So one formula we have already done, that is angle is arc by radius. This is the formula we have done. Angle is arc by radius, and this I told you this angle will be in terms of radians. This is must. When the angle is given 15 degree, it is given in degrees, so we should convert this in radians. So 15 into pi by 180 radian. This is the angle we have converted in radian. Arc length we want, let it be L, and radius is given 5 centimeter. So as you want L to be calculated, it will come 15 into 5 into pi will be 22 by 7 into 180. Now when you solve it, it will be 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Then this will be 6 and this will be 11. So numerator is 55 divided by 6, 7, 42. So now you can calculate this 55, 42. So 1 time 42 here. How much left? It will be 8 and 5, 13. 13 is left, so 0.0. Then 4 3s are 12. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. Left is 4 again. Then decimal not going, so nearly this length will be 1.30, and it was in centimeter. Yes, so it is in centimeter. So the length of arc come out to be 1.30 centimeter. That you can get. Next question is, so this is the question now. Find in degree the angle subtended at the center of a circle of diameter 50 centimeter by an arc of length 11 centimeter. So what are the informations we have in this question? The length of arc is given 11 centimeter. Diameter is 50, so the radius comes out to be 25 centimeter. And my question is find in degree the angle subtended at the center. So at the center we want the angle to be calculated. So first thing we have done this formula, angle is arc by radius. Angle we want, arc length is 11, radius is 25. This will be angle we will get in radians. But we don't want angle in radian, we want in degrees. So I should write this as 11 by 25 into 180 by pi degree. And when you solve it, it will be 11 by 25 into 180 by pi. Pi means 22 is there into and 7 is in the numerator. Now when you solve it, it will be 11 twos are, then 2 here it comes out to be 90. Then 25, so by 5 cancel out, 5 5s are 25, here it is 5, 1s are 5 and 8. Now it will come 18 into 7 by 5 degrees. Now 18 into 7, how much it is? 7, 8, 56, 126 is there by 5 degree. But it is in fractions, so what I should do, 126 5. 5 to the 10. Left is 22. 2 here, 26. 5, 5, 25. Left is 1. So I should say it is 25 degree complete. 1 by 5. And this is in fraction. So convert in degree. It will be into 60 minutes. This was in degree, but it was in fraction, so we should convert in minutes. So it will come out to be 25 degree, and 5 when you cancel, it will be 12. So 25 degree, 12 minutes is the answer. So answer they are asking in degree we want the answer, so we can calculate that question here. One more question we have. So this question says in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc corresponding to the chord. Be careful about this question. What this question says, there is one circle whose diameter is 40 centimeter. That means definitely the radius is 20 centimeter. Then it says the length of chord is 20 centimeters. So here we are taking another chord. This will be chord which will be also 20 centimeters. Then question is find the length of this minor arc. When this is the chord we have, it will have two arcs. One is this called as minor arc. This will be called as major arc. So he is asking what is the minor arc corresponding to the chord. We should find out. So what is the length of this arc we want? L. If you join this with the center, definitely this is also 20. When you get that, it means it is an equilateral triangle. As the triangle is equilateral, one thing is clear that central angle come out to be 60 degree. In this case, central angle was missing, but this we got 60 degree. Then they are asking length of arc, so we go for the formula. Angle is arc by radius. When you go for angle, angle will be 60 degrees. So we should convert in radians. 60 into pi by 180. Arc length we want L. Radius is again 20. So 6 3s are 18 here. Then 20 will go this side. So 20 pi by 3 will be your length. Or I should say L come out to be 20 by 3 into 22 by 7. This is the length of arc. First, whatever angle at the central place, we have converted in radian, and then we have calculated length. So here L comes out to be how much? This will be 440 in the numerator divided by 21. And now the length you can calculate. That length will come out to be in centimeter. So these type of questions you can complete. So this is the first topic we have completed in degree, radian, degree calculation. One more question I'll take. This video will finish out with this of the problems only. Next video will start with the next topic. So the question is the minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. This is a watch we have. Its minute hand we are taking. This will be how much long? 1.5 meter long, centimeter long. How far does this tip move in 40 minutes? In 40 minutes, how much it will be going to move? So in 40 minutes, let this minute hand reaches here. So we should find out how much is this length of arc we should calculate. How much is the length or how far this tip is going to move we are asking. Now in this question, the problem main which will come will be what is the central angle. And if you know the central angle, you can do it easily. If you think about the minute hand, we have one thing we have already done. In 60 minutes, it covered 360 degree. Minute hand always cover 60 minute, it cover 360 degree. In 1 minute, 1 hour, it will complete one round. So in 1 minute, it will go by 6 degree. And we want 40-minute case. So what it will come? 6 into 40 degree. That means 240 degree it is going to have at center. So this angle we have already decided now 240 degree. Now we want the length to be calculated. So the formula says angle is arc by the radius. Angle is 240, but it is degree. 240 is degree, so we will say it will be pi by 180 is arc length. Arc length is what? We should calculate. Radius is 1.5 centimeter. Now the only thing is we should solve it, and that you can solve easily now. This is 240 into 22 by 7 into 180 is L by 1.5. First solve it. By 6 we can cancel out. 6 3s are 18. 6 4 24. 0 is also gone. And then left is 1.5 also I'll take now. 4 into 1.5 into 22 divided by 21 is the length. And now you know how to calculate it. So that calculation you can do. So this length will come in centimeter. This is the length covered by the tip of the minute hand. Now one more question they can ask. What is the angle between minute hand? This is another question we are taking. What is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand at 3:20? When the time is 3:20, what should be the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand? We know this is 12. This come out to be 1, 2. This will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be 10, 11. This type of clock we have. And in this case, the time is 3:20. So you should say that your hour hand will be nearly at 3, but not at 3 exact. It will be going down 3. So thoda sa 3 se niche jayega. And 20 means what? It will be minute hand will be exactly on 5 or 4, sorry. 20 means it's 4. And they are asking what is this angle? At 3:20 is the time. We should find out what is the angle between the two. To calculate this angle, this is another good question we have. 2, 3 concepts we should have. What this concept says, one concept already I told you. One concept is already we have done. What that concept says, minute hand if we take, 60 minute it covered 360 degree. So 1 minute it goes by 6 degree. This you should keep in mind. And then you think about hour hand. When you think about hour hand, in 12 hours it will cover 360 degree. So 12 hour means 12 into 60. At 12 noon, this is the position, and this hour hand is going to move this way, and as it reaches again at 12, so it will be going to cover, how much is the angle it is going to cover? This angle will be 360, so it will cover 360 degree in how much time? In 12 hours it is going to cover this much time. How much is the time? Yes, minute hand, one round it will complete in 1 hour. So 60 minutes it will cover 360 degree. That means 1 minute it will be going to cover 6 degree. At the same time, 1 hour, if you take, or if I say 12 hours, or you take 1 hour, 1 hour if you take, this will be 30 degree. Right or no? So if I take 12 hours, it will cover how much? 360 degree. So 1 hour it will go by 30 degree. 1 hour means it will be 60 minutes it cover 30 degree. So 1 minute, when you think about 1 minute, it will go by half degree. This is for our hand. Our hand is going to cover half degree in 1 minute, and this will cover 6 degree in a minute. Now we are considering 3 hour 20 minute. When we go 3 hour 20 minute means our hand will go 3 hours. 3 hours means it will come 3, and after 20 it will go down. So how much long it will move? 3 hours means 3 into 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. So it will come out to be 180 plus 20. So 200 minutes it is going to move. Okay. So when you think about 200 minutes, we will say for our hand. In 1 minute it go by how much? Half degree. So in 200 minutes, how much it will go? 200 minutes, it will be half into 200. That come out to be how much? It will be 100 degree. So that means the clock, if you take, this total angle, our hand has gone by 100 degree. At 3:20, from 12 noon to 3:20, it has gone by 100 degree. Now when you think about minute hand you should keep in mind, when you have 12 noon it will be here. At 1 it will be coming here again. At 2 it is coming here. At 3 it is coming here. That means after every 1 hour it will complete its round, and next hour it will start from 0. So it means it is only going to consider 20 minutes, because 3 hours means 3 complete round. So in 20 minutes how much it will go, just check. 1 minute it will go by 6 degree. So in 20 minutes it will go by 6 into 20, 120 minutes. Is it right? 1 minute 6 degree. So 20 minutes means 6 into 20, that will be 120 degree. So this minute hand will be at 120. This angle will be clearly 120 degree. So this is 100, this is 120. Now they are asking what is the angle between the two. When you are considering the angle between the two, it will come 120 minus 100, that will come out to be 20. This is the answer we have. At 320, the angle will be 20 degree. Because 100 degree, our hand will be at this position from this, and this has gone to 120, so total angle will be 20 degrees the angle. So this way you will be having questions. Next time I'll be starting with new topic.